Fine. Now this was the logical operator. Now let's say bitwise operators. So here I'll take an example of bitwise operator. Now I won't take all the examples, but I'll only take few examples only. Bitwise. Fine. Now here what I'll do, I'll give the numbers as another value. So here I'm giving number 1 as, let's say, 5, number 2 as 4, for just sake of simplicity, nothing more. Now here if I write bitwise AND operator, bitwise AND operator, and here what I'll do is, here I'll write num1 or num2. Now see, if I see the last 4 bits of the number, first number is 101, first number is 101, so now here num1 and num2, so it is or with 0100. These are the last 4 bits. Now see what AND says, this is 0 and this is 1, but AND will give you 0 because 0 and 1. This is 0 and this is 0, so AND will give you 0. This is 1 and this is 1, so AND will give you 1, and the last bit will be 0. So for OR this is logical AND operation, and logical AND operation will give me the same 4 as a value. Now if I come to the another part, now here I am using logical OR operators. OR says any one bit should be 1. So for first case it is 0, for second case it is, for first it will be 1 because this is 1, so 1 will come here. Second case at both the position they are 0, third case both the position are 1, and finally it will 1, so answer will be what? 5. Now I'll take an example of XOR. I'm just taking these 3 examples only. Now I'll take here XOR. Now what XOR says, when both the bits are different, now see last position both are different, it will be 1. When the next position comes, both are the bits same, so it will be 1 0. Third position also both the bits are same, so it will be 0, and the last will be 0. So what should be my answer in this case is, it should be 4, 5, and my answer should be 4, 5. I'm switching over to the compiler now, and in compiler I'll just write operator main.java, and then I'll compile this. After this I'll execute. Okay, so there is a issue of a variable. Let me check, it should be num2. Fine. Now let's say compiling this again. Now see, I'm getting 4, 5 and 1. So I hope till this point the operators are clear to you, everyone.